subject to video number 2. Today's topic is continuation of topic lesson number 7, electricity, current and its effects. In this video you all are going to learn about heating effects of electric current, the tube lights and compact fluorescent lamps, miniature circuit breaker, and what are the disadvantages of miniature circuit breaker in electricity in our home. Okay children, now coming to heating effects of electric current. Children, did you saw any time a bulb glowing? What will happen children? It will get heated up. Why it is getting heated up very fast, very quickly? Why that bulb will get heated up children? Because it contains a filament. That filament makes the bulb heated up children. Okay, because of that reason the bulb gets heated up. Not only this children, apart from this you are having did you also saw electric heaters, electric cookers? Usually nowadays it is very common. Okay, see children, if in your textbook you can see this picture. Okay, see usually in this cooker or heater, whatever it is there children, they will be contain some wire, some coil is present. That coil is made up of nichrome. Okay, that coil is made up of substance known as nichrome. This nichrome is what children? This is the substance which it is made up of that coil which is made up of nichrome. It is like a filament children. Okay, this filament will heated up the electric heaters, electric cookers and so on. Okay children, but did you at any time saw the electric heater if you turn on? Okay, when you turn on the electric heater, that coil, that wires will become red. It will show the hotness, what hotness is coming towards from these wires. It will show it children. Okay, and see children, when it becomes hot, that means it got heated up. Okay, the amount of heat produced in that electric wires children, whatever those wires is there children, it usually depends upon the material, length and thickness. Okay, see whatever the requirements you all want, it usually depends upon material, thickness and length. And the wires used for making electric circuits are not normal wires children. Okay, it is not normally become hot. Usually in your house also you can see whatever the circuit is there, that will not become normally hot. On the other hand, the elements such as electric appliances, it will become hot because of those filaments present in it. Whatever the filaments it is there, because of that it will rises high temperature and starts glowing out. Okay children, and giving you out light. Now next coming to tube lights and compact fluorescent lamps children. Okay, usually if you use tube lights so children in your houses, there will be the wastage of electricity automatically reduces. And even fluorescent lamps also, CLF, compact fluorescent lamps, that is short form of it is CFL. If you use the CFLs, usually children, the wastage of electricity reduces. Okay, see children, not ordinary bulb, even this CFLs, you can keep it in the ordinary bulb holder also children. It can be placed in the ordinary bulb holder. Okay, now next coming to electric fuses. Did you at any time saw electric fuse in the circuit board or in your houses children? Usually it will be of this shape. Okay, if you see in your textbook this picture, you can recognize, you can go and you can check that circuit in your house and you can see this electric fuse. Okay, usually these children in your house there will be excessive of current will flow. Okay, because of excessive of current flowing, sometimes it will be because of overheatness it will become blast also. Because to avoid this blasts and all, to avoid that excessive flow, they will usually we will fix this fuses children. Okay, this fuse prevents from those all things. Okay, it will not cause whatever the high voltage of in our house, whatever we are using of high voltage of electricity, it will help it. Okay, it will help it and it will not cause any harm. Okay, see children, it won't catches fire. Because of heatness, we are having the scarcity that catch will fire, but if you fix this, it won't catches fire. Okay, there will be the wire. A fuse is a small piece of wire children. Okay, usually it is made, that wire is made up of alloy. Okay, and it gets heated up quickly and even it melts up quickly. Okay, if the current in the circuit is too high children, the fuse wire gets hot and melts. this leaves a gap in the circuit. Automatically the current circuit is broken and the flow of electricity will be stopped. Okay, this protects appliances from getting burned due to the passage of too large current through them. Okay, now next coming to miniature circuit breaker. Okay children, instead in many houses, instead of using electric fuses, we nowadays we are using miniature circuit breakers. This is this is also in this children, it is having automatically process. Okay, if suppose there is a high voltage of current, if there is a high voltage of electricity, automatically in this breaker there is a switch which turn off automatically. If we go and turn off, no, automatically it is inserted in this beaker. It is inserted a switch which is automatically turn off because of the overheated over electricity. Okay children, see the disadvantage, the advantage of this miniature circuit breaker is children, it overfuses is that it can reset automatically and manually. Okay, to restore normal operation, whereas restore normal operation. Whereas children, if suppose by chance we get over voltage of current in our houses, if we are fixing the fuses, electric fuses, if we are fixing, the fuse also might gone, and if in one single operation only we can use the fuse. If once it is gone, again we should bring another one and we must need to fix it. But for this miniature circuit breaker, we should not do such types of things because it is having automatically process. Automatically it will get turned on and automatically it will get turned on after the voltage of current is low. Okay children, so this is an advantage. It can be used for many operations. Okay, it cannot be used just only for single time or other time. Okay, it can use for many times. Okay, now disadvantage of this miniature circuit breakers, usually in your homes. Okay children, electricity people will come and they will give you some, they will take your meter reading and they will hand over you the bill. So and so amount have came, you must need to pay the amount in time, or all things will be going on. See children, whenever we are using bulbs, okay, of usually on bulbs there will be watts. Okay, so and so watt, so and so bulb will be considered. Like suppose 25 watts, this bulb is a 60 watts, 60 watts, 100 watts, 40 watts. The wastage measures how powerful the bulb is. The brighter the bulb is glows, so children, the higher will be the electricity. Okay, if the higher the electricity is there, you will be getting high bill. So in or other way, it is a disadvantage for us. If you get so much pay, so you must need to pay the bill, isn't it? See children, now coming, now I want to say you 1 kilowatt. Okay, remember always children, 1 kilowatt, short form of kilowatt is kW, is 1000 watts children. Okay, 1 kilowatt makes how many? 1000 watts. Okay, when any appliances of 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour, okay, then it is used up 1 kilowatt hour. Okay children, or 1 unit of electricity. If it runs for 2 hours, it will use up to units of electricity. Now see, there is few exercises which is given reading. Looking at textbook page number 70. Okay, the meter reading in Ayub's, this is an example. Okay, in Ayub's house the meter reading in January is 400 units, February is 580 units. Calculate how much his parents would pay towards electricity bill for February. The unit is unit cost is rupees 305. Okay, the readings February, January 1st, February 1st, number of units, electricity use, cost per unit, and total amount how much it is paid. Okay children, usually number of unit is how much? 180. Okay, 180 is number of units, and for and the total cost for 1 unit is 3.05. So you will get the answer 549 is your answer. Okay children, related to this one problem is there which I want to show. Now see all of you. Okay children, now see in your textbook there is another problem. Suppose in a house there are 4 bulbs, okay, of 100 watts. You all must need to do this problem, okay. I will explain you all, this you all can hear, okay. There are 4 bulbs of 100 watts each, okay, 6 of 60 watts each and 6 of 40 watts each. All of them are used to 2 hours a day. How many units of electricity will be used in 30 days children? How much will they have to pay? At rupees 2.80 per unit. Per unit consists of 2.80. Okay, rupees 2.80 paise per unit it consists. Okay, now see 4 into 100 watts, because it is having how many 4 bulbs, it contains of 100 watts, plus 6 into 60 watts, 6 bulbs of 60 watts and 6 of 40 watts. Okay, if you do this children, 4 into 100, 60 into 6 into 60, 6 into 40, you will get 1000 watts is equal, as I said you, okay children, 1000 watts is equal to 1 kilowatt. I said no children, 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt. This is a formula, you must need to remember. Total power used every day is how much? 2 hours into 1 kW, that is 1 kilowatt. Okay, now first we must need to find out in a day how much total use is. There is 2 hours, okay. 2 hours into 1 kilowatt is equal to how much? 2 kilowatt plus 1. Okay, 2 kilowatts per hour. Okay, 2 ones are 2. So 2 kilowatts per hour is used for every day. Now for 30 days, we must need to find out for 30 days, isn't it? For every day, 2 hours are being used. For 2 hours, 2 into 1 kilowatt is equal to 2 kilowatt per hour. Now for 30 days, 2 into 30 kilowatts per hour is equal to 60 kilowatt. Then 2.80, okay, rupees 2.80 paise is used is per 1 minute, isn't it children? We have find out 60 kilowatts per hour. For 60 kilowatts per hour for 30 days is being used. Now for how much bill they must need to pay? 2.80 into 60. So you must need to calculate. 0 0 0 0, 0 8 0, 0 2 0 into 6 0 0, 6 8 48, 6 2 12, 12 plus 4 16. So 6 0 0 8 6 1. So here what point is there? No children, point is after how many digits? It is after 2 digits. So you must need to count from tens, hundreds. Okay, 2 digit point you keep. Okay, how much it is left over? 168. 0 won't have value, so it get cancelled. Total will be for your 168. Total cost of power is 168 rupees. Okay. With this, we have completed your lesson. If you all are having any doubts, contact me. Thank you.